Mike Hammer, VP GM, also the plant manager here at the Cressona, Pennsylvania facility. We manufacture aluminum extrusions that are pretty much used in every market segment that's out there.
We buy prime aluminum, which is purchased at a premium price. We also buy aluminum scrap from different scrap yards, and aluminum being material that can be used over and over again.
We are the beginning of the process. Back where I'm at, that's where they melt the metal, and then it goes onto a table and casts to specific diameters.
Best way to describe the extrusion process is sort of like playing with Play-Doh. We heat the billets up to push through the die. They're usually heated to around 1,000 degrees, and it comes out the shape of whatever die you have in. We'll take that extrusion and get it into a quench, which is like a big tank of water to cool it. Then you'll have two pieces of stretching equipment, a headstock and a tailstock, and pretty much stretch the extrusions within tolerance, and it gets cut to whatever length the customer requires.
And what I do is more towards the end, like if something needs to be cut or have holes punched in it, stuff like that, that's what we do in our departments.
So we do distribution, which is a distribution channel, which feeds all the markets. Building and construction, transportation, and automotive. Every truck trailer that you see going down the road has our extrusions on it, whether it be the side rails, the cross members, headers. You know, although we don't sell directly to the consumer and to the general population, every single person that's out there, including yourselves, when you got here today in a vehicle, I guarantee you there's some of our aluminum that's on that vehicle in some component.